Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about a portable blender. So today we have the color black here, but online they have so many different colors. Super cute, super convenient if you want to use it for the gym or if you want to use it for smoothies. Super cool. So what it has here, it comes with some carry loop-ons. Super cute. You can hold it from the bottom here or you can hold it from the top. Super easy, open water lid. So it has a lock here. You twist that open it, it's wide mouth, which is super cool. And it's easier to clean, and also it is just so much better than most. And then that comes with a 6 blade, so it can blend a lot more fruits. It can blend your protein. It could blend a lot of things. So let's go ahead and turn this on. When you turn it on, there's a green LED light that it looks like a light show. So here you can see at the bottom, there's a pulse action there. So then you hold it down and it turns off. And what it also comes with it as well is that it comes with a bottom too. So if you don't want to use the blender, you can just flip it on over, screw it in, and it can just be a regular water carrier. Also comes with a rechargeable cord, so you can go ahead and put this in your wall and just take this bottom one out and then you can recharge it. It's really nice. Also comes with an instruction manual too if you want to go ahead and read a little bit more about it. So let's go ahead and put some of our supplements in just to see how it looks.